In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram liquid glass not showing. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app update. Navigate to App Store. Search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To check that, launch settings. Go to General. Now head over to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. New Instagram features often work best on the latest iOS releases and may not be available on older versions. If your app and iPhone are fully updated but the Liquid Glass UI still is not showing, try force closing the app and relaunching it. You can also restart your iPhone to refresh system processes and app data. Next, log out of your Instagram account. To do that, navigate to Profile page, click on three bars, scroll all the way down and click on the option Logout and confirm it. Then log in back. Sometimes features rollouts are tied to account sessions and signing back in can help refresh feature availability. If these solutions didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app, press and hold on it, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete, head over to App Store, search for the app Instagram and install it. It's also important to understand that Instagram often releases new features gradually. This means some accounts receive updates earlier than others even when using the same app version and device. If you have tried all the troubleshooting steps and still don't see the Liquid Glass UI, you may simply need to wait until Instagram enables the feature for your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.